DNA Motoring HL Black Headlights. DNA Motoring HL AM. Black headlights are a stylish and functional aftermarket upgrade for your vehicle, designed to enhance both its aesthetics and performance. The black housing of the headlights adds a touch of sophistication and a sense of customization to your vehicle's front end. The dark color not only complements the overall design, but also gives the headlights a more aggressive and distinctive look. This can be particularly appealing for car enthusiasts and those looking to personalize their ride. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, DNA Motoring HL AM black headlights are engineered to deliver superior lighting performance. The headlights feature advanced technology, including high-quality lenses and efficient reflectors, to maximize light output and ensure optimal visibility in various driving conditions. The dark color not only complements the overall design, but also gives the headlights a more aggressive and distinctive look.